Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project video. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project multilingual voice chat with chatGPT, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. Let us take a look at how it works. You can develop this interesting project by following the simple steps provided in one of the blogs on electronicsforyou.com. Kindly find the link in the description of this video. This project helps you to talk with chatGPT in your own language. It supports more than 100 languages. First, we will do the initial setup and get the API key for OpenAI. To do this, you can follow the steps provided in one of the DIY projects on electronicsforyou.com. You can find the link in the description of this video. In this project, we have created two versions of the multilingual code. One is manual, in which we will enter the language code manually. And the second version is where you enter the text in your language and ChatGPT identifies it automatically. By both ways, you can talk with ChatGPT in your preferred language. The components used are a Raspberry Pi board over which we are running OpenAI ChatGPT code. You can use any other Linux machine like a laptop, a USB microphone to ask questions from ChatGPT, and a speaker to hear response from ChatGPT. If you are using your laptop, in place of Raspberry Pi, you can use the inbuilt microphone and speaker of the laptop. A 5-volt adapter to power up your Raspberry Pi. Let us see a demonstration. I will ask a question from ChatGPT by speaking over the microphone in Hindi and will hear a response from the speaker.
Jarvis, डार्क मैटर क्या होता है?
डार्क मैटर एक सॉफ्टवेयर है जो आपको आपके डेटा को आकलन, विश्लेषण और दृश्यपटल बनाने में मदद करता है। यह आपको आपके डेटा को आसानी से विश्लेषण करने और दृश्यपटल बनाने में मदद करता है। यह आपको आपके डेटा को आसानी से विश्लेषण करने और दृश्यपटल बनाने में मदद करता।
Interested in developing your own multilingual voice GPT? Kindly click on the link provided in the description of this video to get a complete circuit diagram and a detailed explanation of the project. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.